Want to start earning from Amazon but not sure where to begin? In this video, I'll show you 4 legit ways to make money with Amazon and give you simple, step-by-step instructions for each. Let's get started. Method 1. Become an Amazon seller. You can sell your own products or resell trending items. Steps. Create a seller account at Amazon Seller Central. Keep your PAN, bank account, GST, if required, and address handy. Choose a fulfillment method. FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. You send stock to Amazon's warehouse. Amazon packs, ships, and handles customer service. Easy ship/self-ship. You store items, Amazon, or you handle delivery. Research products, check price, reviews, competition, profit after fees. Start with light, non-fragile items. List your product. Good title, 5 clear images, bullet points, and competitive pricing. Promote. Use coupons, deals, and small ad campaigns inside Amazon. Fulfill and support. Ship fast, respond to messages, and keep ratings high. Pro tip. Start with 10 to 20 units to test demand, then scale. Method 2. Earn commissions by recommending products. Steps. Sign up for Amazon Associates, the affiliate program. Pick a niche you understand: tech, home, fitness, study tools, etc. Create content: YouTube videos, shorts, Instagram reels, or a blog. Add your affiliate links for the products you're recommending. Drive targeted traffic. Use clear titles like Best Budget Earphones Under 999 Rupees. Stay compliant. Disclose that links are affiliate links. Pro tip. Compare 3 to 5 products in a single video. Comparison content converts better. Method 3. Publish on Kindle, no printing cost. Steps. Create a KDP account using your Amazon login. Choose your format: ebook, paperback, or both. Write or compile short guides, workbooks, planners, journals, or storybooks. Design a cover, use Canva/templates, and format your interior: simple, clean. Upload, set price and keywords so readers can find it. Promote, share sample pages on social, run small ads, collect reviews. Pro tip: low-content books, journals, planners are quick to produce if you're consistent with niches. Method 4. Sell t-shirts, mugs, phone cases without holding stock. Steps. Apply to Amazon Merch on Demand. Approval may take time. Create simple, clean designs around specific niches: sports, pets, quotes. Upload your artwork, choose products and colors, and set the price. Amazon prints and ships after a customer orders. You earn a royalty per sale. Pro tip. Use evergreen ideas plus seasonal trends, festivals, exams. If you have a decent social following, apply to the Amazon Influencer Program. Create idea lists and shoppable videos on your storefront and earn when viewers buy. Keep documents ready: PAN, bank details, GST if applicable. Start small, learn fees and margins, and reinvest profits. Use clear product photos, honest reviews, and on-time shipping. Be consistent. 30 days of effort beats 3 days of perfection. So that's how you can earn from Amazon with 4 proven methods: selling products, affiliate marketing, Kindle publishing, and print on demand. Which one will you try first? Tell me in the comments. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one.